Hey y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode of Craystar Flavor King, where we bring you the most delicious and easy to make recipes from around the world. Today, I'm diving into a viral sensation that took TikTok by storm, Kourtney Kardashian's famous avocado pudding. This recipe has been making waves all over social media, and for good reason. Kourtney Kardashian's famous avocado pudding. It's not just a trend, it's a delicious and nutritious snack that you can whip up in no time. If you're looking for a quick, healthy snack that's creamy and delicious, this is it. Perfect for those midday cravings or even as a dessert. Alright, first things first, let's talk ingredients. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. You only need a handful of ingredients, most of which you probably already have in your kitchen. You only need 4 simple ones. 1 large avocado. Make sure it's ripe for that perfect creamy texture. Half a cup of milk, or cream if you prefer it extra creamy. The choice of milk or cream can really change the texture and richness of the pudding, so pick according to your preference. 1 tablespoon of white sugar. This adds just the right amount of sweetness without overpowering the natural flavors of the avocado. And 1 tablespoon of Manuka honey. But feel free to add more if you've got a sweet tooth. Manuka honey not only adds sweetness, but also brings in a host of health benefits. First, we need to deep hit that avocado. This can be a bit tricky if you're not used to it, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Just cut around the avocado lengthwise, twist the halves to separate, and then, using the heel of a large, non-serrated knife, chop into the pit. Be careful with this step to avoid any accidents. Twist it out, and voila, easy peasy. Now you're ready to scoop out the flesh. Next, scoop out that gorgeous green flesh and drop it into your blender. Make sure to get every bit of that creamy goodness. Add your sugar, milk, and honey. These ingredients will blend together to create a smooth and luscious pudding. Now blend it until it's super smooth. You want to make sure there are no lumps for that perfect pudding texture. Seriously, y'all, this takes like 30 seconds. And that's it. In just a few moments, you'll have a delicious and healthy snack ready to enjoy. Your creamy, dreamy avocado pudding is ready to go. Look at that texture, so smooth and inviting. You can enjoy it straight out of the blender or chill it for a bit if you prefer it cold. Chilling it can make it even more refreshing, especially on a hot day. It's not overly sweet, so you can always adjust the sweetness to your liking. The best part? You can customize it with your favorite toppings like nuts, fruits, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. It's packed with nutrients and tastes like a dessert. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making this pudding not just tasty, but also good for you. No wonder Kourtney eats it every day. It's a perfect blend of health and taste, making it a staple in her diet. So if you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to @Craystar Flavor King for more delicious and easy to make recipes. Your support means the world to us. And hey, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and let everyone enjoy this amazing avocado pudding. Thanks for watching, y'all. See y'all next time. See the full recipe and backstory in the description below. Bye. And don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or any variations you tried. We love hearing from you.